Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, July 16th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And right now, pre-market, we've been trading towards the upper end of our range, as you can see. So just like 4 days ago when we went from balance to bear, the next day we went right back to balance. Well, if we take out yesterday's high, it'll be a one-day event to the downside, and we'll be right back to balance and not far from the all-time highs as the market continually gets bought on any kind of pullback. First off, I'd like to thank all of you who like these videos. Please subscribe to this channel also and check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. Tonight, on the 4 p.m. recap, we will do the charts of all three of these indices. For destinations this morning, on the upside, I was using G's high as an afternoon rally high of 434.96. Then we have yesterday's high 435.53. Right now my pre-market high is 435.54, so a penny above yesterday's high. And then 436.51, 9 wide from the 14th, 437.08 afternoon rally high from that day, and then the all-time high, which will be a weekly high if we do not take it out today, of 437.92. For the downside, remember, ES was 9 wide. I was only 8 wide. There's not a lot to lean on until we get more market-generated information. So for now, in the SPY, I have my overnight low of 433.72, and then a dollar lower is yesterday's low of 432.72. 432.31, that daily low that held, and the gap at 431.73 from the 9th, and then our weekly low of 427.52. So game plan for this morning at this point, and again at 9:30. If we can't take out yesterday's high and or the overnight high, they have proven to be fadeable, right? Unlike IWM and triple Q, which seems to have no problem taking out daily highs or lows, ES and SPY seem to like to play those games. So if you were to keep pushing up towards that either now or at the opening, I might look to take a put play just to see if they front run yesterday's high and the overnight high the first time. If we end up gapping higher, then I'll look to take a call play against yesterday's high. If the gap gets filled, I would be out, because until we get more market generated information, again, like I said, there's not much to the downside. However, there's not much to the upside either. So if you either gap high or finally get yesterday's high, our next destination will be the 9 wide POC. Again, I don't count end period. That starts my overnight. So 9 wide, and then the afternoon rally high, and then the all-time high. So just like I've been saying, when these destinations are far and wide apart, these algos, short-term algos, are going to have to go and seek them out. So those are two really, really early plays. If in the next 75 minutes or so we open smack in the middle of yesterday's range, there really won't be any play there, because again, there's really nothing to lean on except that POC, and we should get some major chop if we end up opening inside of yesterday's range. And then on the chart, again, I'm just going to show you the daily this morning. Tonight we go over all three of these indices, monthly, weekly, daily. So just like a bunch of days ago, we went from balance to bear, back to balance. Well, right now, we're in balance. We went from balance to bear again. If we stay inside yesterday's range or take out yesterday's low, it will continue to be bear. However, if we take out yesterday's high, right back to balance. Good luck trading today. Have an awesome day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.